everyone, welcome back. Is the Phantom Wallet app taking forever to load, spins endlessly every time you open it, even when your internet is fine? Here are 3 iPhone fixes that speed it up immediately. First, go to your settings app and then toggle the airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and then toggle it back off. This resets your entire iPhone's network connection from scratch and forces a clean, fresh signal. This one trick alone fixes slow loading most of the time. If it's still slow, go to your settings, scroll down to find Phantom in the app list, or just directly search for it. Once you see it, tap on it and make sure that background refresh is turned on. Without this, Phantom always starts loading from zero every time you open it, which makes it feel very slow on launch. Finally, in the settings itself, go back to General, then go to iPhone Storage and check if the storage bar at the top. If your phone is nearly full, apps like Phantom Wallet run noticeably slower. Tap Offload app on unused app to free space quickly. After all 3 changes, Phantom will load much faster. So all you gotta do is turn airplane mode on, reset for network, background app refresh on for Phantom, free iPhone storage, Phantom Wallet loads fast again, and that's it. Subscribe.